Creating whiteboard animation is very easy nowadays, okay, using Canva. It is a free tool that you can use to create whiteboard animation. So let's get started. First of all, open canva.com website and create your account. After creating your account, press here create a design and search here YouTube video. After searching YouTube video, open this YouTube video. After opening it, now let's design our image, okay? Whatever you want to design, so you will design it, okay? I will just import a few. Let's come here to the elements. So here in the elements, I will search for logo, for example. I will just take something, okay? You will design your own images and video, whatever you want. For example, this one, okay? This is the logo that I took. And also we will add something, okay? Bring it here, text, whiteboard animation. It's like this. And bring it here down. So it will look like this, okay? You will just design your pages, okay? How many pages you would like to add just by pressing this button. You will add your animations, okay? Add those elements, text, whatever you want. So just add that. After adding that, then download it, okay? Let's come here and press on share, then press the download button. After that, download it as PNG, okay, as image. Download all pages. How many pages you have? Download all of them, okay? PNG, download it. So let's wait for it. So the page has been downloaded. So after downloading it, now just come here to the apps, okay? After coming to the apps, search here paint speed, okay? Let's speed paint, okay? Speed paint. Open it. So after searching it, okay, open the speed paint up. So after opening this app, now press choose file, okay? After choosing file, come here to the download. Just select the animation, okay, the whiteboard animation that you have downloaded right now, okay? Press that, open that. So after opening it, just come here down. Here you will add, just select the sketch design a duration, okay, for example 5 seconds. So after that, color fill duration you can add it also, and for example that 5 seconds, okay. And come here down, select add fade effects, okay. And also if you would like to add a hand, select a design, okay. Which one? For example, let's select this one, okay. So after selecting that now let's press animate image. You can add sketching sequence also, but I will press just animate image to show you, okay. Let's wait for it. Yeah, that has completed, okay. So now I will remove these things, okay. So let's right click on this and set as background image. So after that, now let's play it, okay. Let's play it, how it looks like. See, it looks like this. So this was our whiteboard animation that we have completed, okay. You can add more pages, you can animate them, okay, using whiteboard animation like this, okay. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.